I would say the show has been doing reasonably well for us. We have had visitors, some of them from locally in China, then some of our customers from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Vietnam, Indonesia, few from Iran, Turkey, and all. As far as Precitex is concerned, this show we are focusing more to build our market in China. Of course, we also have our international visitors with us. Yeah. So for us, the key markets are Bangladesh, then it is Indonesia, Vietnam, Uzbekistan, then North America, Central America, that is Mexico. We are looking at building the markets in Central America, then also Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Wherever there is a spinning spindle running, Precitex has to be there.
Well, we have really bigger plans for the company to expand our product portfolio, because we see that in a more competitive environment, that having a product portfolio and supporting products for the spinning industry is our vision for growth of the company. Well, we are now looking at innovating the products as the machines have been also innovated, and so the spinning process have undergone a lot of changes over the last say 15-20 years. And like for instance, we have the edge spinning, for which we have to now looking at the products in a sense that investing in R&D, upgrade of infrastructure, and this is what we are positioning to the customers as well, that you would have products that are more than competition. It's about more innovative products that suit your needs and your expectations, the customer's expectations and needs. Make in India is one of the, it's a pride for Precitex over the last 50 years, and we continue to actually grow with this pride that we need just not only serve India with these products, but also the products for the global textile industry. However, the important point is that textile industry has been, moving towards Asia and some parts of, even growth in Central Asia. And so we look forward that, the Indian textile technologists are also moving towards all these countries, establishing their, technical skills. And this is also helping us, to bring these products not only to India, but also to the other the industries in the other countries as well. Yeah.
So at Precitex, the cost competitiveness has always been our, focus, that how we can give world-class products, yet at the, a very, very competitive price, so that we are able to add value to coats and aprons industry. So if I have to talk about our products, where we can rub shoulders with not only the best, probably we are better, is our Soft Plus coats for the 100% cotton segment. Then some of our aprons, some qualities, because now there are so many segments within the spinning industry. So we have certain strengths like Soft Plus coats, then our soft coats in 63 shore hardness, then our XP aprons, our texturizing coats and aprons for the global markets, and especially we are looking at China with regard, because it's a huge population of texturizing machines which are unheard of. So these are some of the products where we have an edge over the competition. Not only we offer the best quality, in terms of life, in terms of yarn quality, at the same time keeping the costs at the optimum levels. So we completed 53 years already, and Precitex probably started from a small booth like this. The plant started like this. So you're absolutely right. Right from 1971, our chairman, Shri G.T. Demlaji, had that vision. When there was no Indian manufacturer present in ITMA, he was the first who started, traveling to ITMA, Europe, taking the Make in India and Precitex brand globally. The idea is we still have a lot of markets where we can expand our business, and the idea is to become number one in the world. We are getting there, But I think we can't rest, and we have still some distance to cover.
Yeah, I would like to say, that our focus has been on two major areas. One was the edge spinning, because this has rapidly expanded in the last 10 years or so, and it continues to grow at a very big pace. And so is our thing on texturizing as well, because this also has found a lot of application in the technical textiles. It's from originally, apparel, it's come to technical textiles, and that's where we are looking at new products for texturizing, edge spinning, and also in the spinning segment, we are looking at more customer enthusiasm features, like for instance, having a longer buffing cycle or a longer, service life for the products. That's our goal.